The country's debt-to-GDP ratio fell to its lowest level in a year after the national government debt dropped to 13.42 trillion pesos by the end of 2022. Partly due to a stronger local currency. And with the Philippine economy continuously expanding, the Marcos administration is optimistic the debt-to-GDP ratio will further go down, as Naomi Tiburcio reports.
The Philippines' national government debt went down by the end of 2022. In the report of the Bureau of the Treasury, the total outstanding debt of the government dropped to 13.42 trillion pesos in December, down by 225 billion pesos from the November level. According to the Treasury, this is due to the effect of a stronger peso against the dollar and the net redemption of domestic government securities. Because of this, the debt-to-GDP ratio went down to 60.9% from 63.7% in the third quarter. This is the lowest debt-to-GDP ratio of the country in 1 year. Debt-to-GDP ratio measures a country's ability to pay its debt based on the size of its economy. With the help of good debt management, a country's debt plunge and a financial crisis can be avoided. When the debt-to-GDP ratio is low, the economic growth of a country will continue and will also encourage the flow of more investments to the country. According to the DOF, economic growth has a big influence in reducing the debt-to-GDP ratio. Because of this, they believe that the debt-to-GDP ratio will continue to go lower below 60% in 2025 and 51.1% in 2028, while maintaining high infrastructure spending. According to economist Michael Recafort, the reopening of the economy should be pursued along with the increase in tax revenue collection and a more disciplined spending on the part of the government. The government's debt management strategy, according to the DOF, involves the priority in domestic borrowings.
Kung tumaas yung value ng dollar, kasing hinaram nila, kung tumaas yung value nun, pag ibabayaran na nila, may risk na baka mas mahal yung bayaran nila. No? Yun ang iniiwasan.
Treasury bonds and bills are some examples of domestic investments that the ordinary Filipino can enter into. The investment herein can be used by the government for various projects such as infrastructure development.
Nabibigyan ng pagkakataon din yung ating mga kababayan, makapag-invest sila na mas mataas na interest rate. Saving sila, investment, excess funds or surplus. At the same time, pwede kasi itap yan ng gobyerno.
Naomi Tiburcio for The Nation.